And welcome to Grandad's Reviews. Today we're going to have a look at using the touchscreen on the back of the X-T3 to pull focus with an autofocus lens. So let's have a look. So we've got a scenario here where we've got one subject closer than the other and they're both going to be speaking, and we want to pull focus from one to the other using the touchscreen. First thing we need is have it set to AFC and have the touchscreen set to AF area. Now there is some settings that we could do with changing. So in the menu, if we go up to movie settings, AFC custom settings. Now you have to play around with these to get the best balance of speed and the actual pull. So we're going to leave it all on 0 at the moment and we'll try that. So we're focused on the closest subject. Then if we touch on the furthest, it'll rack over to that one, and then when we press the closer one, it'll pull back. And that's with our settings on 0. Now if we want to change that speed, let's go back into our settings. Now the tracking is basically how quick the camera notices that there's another object in the focus area that's not in focus. So if we send it right down, which is 0 that we've got, press OK. And the AF speed is how quick the camera will actually focus on that object once it realises it's there. So let's do that to 5. So basically the camera's not going to wait any time when it notices something else isn't in focus, and it's going to focus as quick as it can. So we're still focused on the closest one. We'll go to the furthest one. We're on the furthest one, we come to the closest one. And that's on 0 on the tracking and the fastest on the speed. That's that one. Next we'll go the opposite way. On the tracking, we'll wait the longest before it actually moves. And on the speed, we'll take the slowest to actually change it. So we're focused on the closest one again, we'll go to the furthest. We're on the furthest, come to the closest. And as you can see, it's more of a gradual focus from one to the other. So the closest, furthest, furthest, back to the closest. So let's just change another setting. So we'll set that to 2, and the AF speed we'll set to 0. Now we'll try that one. So we're on the closest, go to the furthest, back to the closest. So we've got a different speed. We're not waiting too long to actually notice it's out of focus, and we're not pulling to it really fast. So it's more of a gradual movement. And we'll try that just on one more setting, just to give you an idea of how it changes. We'll leave that on 2 because that's pretty good. We'll bring the focus down to -3. So we're on 0 and -3. So we're on the closest one. furthest one. Closest one. It's a gradual pull. Furthest one. Closest one. So as I say, what you're going to have to do is play around with those settings for the particular circumstances you're in to see which works best for you. You might find it's 0 and +2. It just depends on how quick you want that to go from one to the other. So that's my quick look at focus pulling using the touchscreen on the back of the X-T3. And so you just have to play with the settings just to see what's best for your particular situation. But if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. If you want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe. If you want to be notified, hit that bell button. Till next time, see you later.